Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically, we will demonstrate on 2012 model that we have right here, but even if you have one that's a different year, but that generation video may be helpful. You will guys have two fuse boxes that you will need to check. You can check, but we will work only on one of them. You have one fuse box that's under the hood, we don't need that one. We just need the one that's inside the vehicle, guys, okay? We're talking about, okay, the fuse box that's under the glove box on the right side by the kick panel in the food compartment. When you remove the cover, okay, you're going to see the fuse box. When you open it, it will look just like that. And by getting the picture like that, we can clearly show you exactly which fuse you need to check. Now, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuse, guys, that you will need to check for the infotainment screen, okay, the display. If you start on the very left side right here, from top to bottom, you're going to, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count it, guys. That space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 10 amp fuse, guys, right here. That's the fuse responsible for that. That's the fuse that you will need to check. Fuse number 9, F9.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.